We're 3 months into the year, and I've hit almost one half of my million point goal. Here's what I've been doing, and here's what you can do to follow along. So I know I haven't been posting too many videos lately. If you're new to this channel, I teach you how to take advantage of the system to travel for free by earning more points, miles, and maybe a little bit of extra cash on the side. My goal for the year was to earn $50,000 and over 1 million points all in a single year, all through side hustles. I'm Steve, and we focus on miles and points. In today's episode, I wanted to give you an update on what I've been doing in the past 2 months while I haven't been posting videos, just giving you updates, how I'm lagging behind in my goals, and what I plan to do for the rest of the year. If you stay until the end, I have a couple of credit cards that I've been eyeing and I'm thinking about applying, and I'll make those recommendations to you. And if you haven't already, you know what to do below. Click like and subscribe, and let's get started. So my first challenge in these past 2 months is with my car breaking down. I woke up early on a Saturday, I worked out, and I was ready to be productive. I was ready to do a full day of Instacart. So I turned on Instacart, and I was targeted for this one promotion where if I did 4 batches, I would earn a minimum of $78. I headed to my local Wegmans grocery store, and midway through that run, my car actually broke down on the side of the highway. I had to actually push the car over to a nearby bank and just had to get it restarted. That really took a lot of the steam out of my day. My second challenge for the month was that Coinbase actually shut me down temporarily for any debit card loads. So what I was doing before with my Coinbase debit card was I was using it to pay off my Citi and American Express credit card balances. So I would do a lot of my manufactured spending on those credit cards. I would load up my Coinbase card and I would pay it off. You would earn a 4% rebate in crypto, which was unbelievable. So in February, I hit about $4,000 in debit card loads, but Coinbase the next day notified me saying that I was shut down. I did get reinstated a couple days later, but I'm really looking to play it cool now, slow down those loads. And my third event, maybe it's not really a challenge, but I'm starting a new job in 2 weeks. So gig sharing and actually using a car to drive around is probably not going to be as feasible for me. The first 3 months in 2022, I've earned almost $7,800. I've earned $2,800 selling items online, almost $2,900 from manufactured spending, almost $800 from cryptocurrency, and this is really through the Coinbase debit card loads, $487 from gig sharing, which really happened most of January, and $812 from side income. From the selling point of view, it's mostly selling and reselling Apple accessories, Pokemon cards, miscellaneous goods around the house. I posted them on either Facebook, eBay, StockX. Overall, I did make some pretty good money off of it. On the manufactured spending side of things, I sold a bunch of Apple products again, mostly MacBooks, iPads. I actually even lost a little bit of money on them, but I generated a ton of points off that, which is why I did it. On gig sharing, again, mostly in January when I was using the car a lot, but I earned $57 on DoorDash, $84 on Uber Eats, and $345 on Instacart. I'd say it's a pretty good source of income if you have a lot of time on your hands, if you have a car. It was a real slog to have to actually turn this on, go and do the shopping, go and do the picking up and dropping off. So with a new job, I don't know if this is really sustainable. On the cryptocurrency side, I was using the Coinbase card to pay off Citi and Amex cards, earning that really sweet 4% rebate. I made $400 in AMP, $377 in XLM, which is Stellar Lumens. Again, I'm probably going to tread a little bit more lightly on the Coinbase debit card, but at the end of the video, I actually have another idea that I'm thinking about to earn more crypto. And finally, I made about $812 off my side income, which is really primarily through respondent and user testing, both of which are online survey sites. I've earned almost 500,000 points through these 3 months. I've spent about $56,000 so far across MS, normal spend, a bunch of other things. The way it's broken out is 6% of it was through everyday spending, 21% of it through manufactured spending, 33% of it was through credit card sign-up bonuses, 5% through referrals, 33% through retention bonuses, and 2% through points portals. And what I wanted to call out here was that 66% of my points are coming through signups and retention bonuses. So even if you don't have enough time to really commit to manufactured spending, just being able to sign up for credit cards is the biggest bang for your time. I started off pretty strong in January where I earned almost 250,000 points, but then I slowed down significantly in February and March with 131,000 and 108,000. And that's really due to just a lot of my time being spent looking for a new job, shopping for items for our new apartment, and I had less time for manufactured spending. I really spent maybe 5 hours each month in February and March earning these points, but that also goes to show you how many points you can earn even with such little time committed. So I have 9 months left until the end of the year. How am I going to hit these goals? Here are some of my earning strategies that I'm going to utilize going forward. So I just paid $3,000 for a wedding deposit. Our wedding is going to be at a Hyatt property, so I used my World of Hyatt credit card, which gives me 4 points per dollar spent on everything related to Hyatt. So $3,000 is going to be equal to 12,000 points, which is completely great. Any other spend that I'm going to be using for the wedding will be put on this credit card. It's an easy 5 figures of earning this year, probably more, but we'll have to see. On the crypto side, I'm actually looking at another debit card called Fold. Fold earns about 1 to 1.5% back in Bitcoin, depending on which membership tier you choose. It's really an alternative to the Coinbase debit card. It doesn't have the 4% earnings, but I can put my spend across each card and probably reduce the chances that I'm going to get suspended on either one. I'm also looking at rev.com, which is an online transcription services for contractors, and you actually transcribe or write down a lot of the audio and text, and then you return it back for money. I'll probably do another video on the sign-up process and what I think about it. I'm not sure if it's actually worth it yet, but it's worth a try, especially if I'm not able to do gig sharing. Do you guys have any other ideas on how I'm going to be able to earn some more cash, earn some more points? What do you think? And if you stayed till the end of this video, there's a couple of credit cards I think are really good deals that I'm probably going to apply for this month. The two that I'm thinking for my business, for my LLC, are the Amex Business Gold and the Inc. Business Cash. The American Express Business Gold, I'm currently being targeted for 90,000 points if I spend $10,000 in 6 months. That's better than the usual 70,000 point offer that's out there today. My favorite aspect about the Business Gold card are the Forex earnings on up to 2 categories, and that includes restaurants, shipping, gas, advertising, airfare, all the way up to 200,000 points per calendar year. The one caveat here is that it comes with a $295 annual fee, so you have to be able to justify that, and I can through the sign-up bonus. And then the Chase Inc. Business Cash, it's a free card, which is really great, and it's offering 75,000 points for $7,500 in spend in 3 months, which is, pretty aggressive. But if you're doing manufactured spending, it's not too difficult. And my favorite features about this card are the 5x earnings on office supply stores, cable, up to 125,000 points per year. It's a really crucial card for buying Amazon gift cards at office supply stores like Staples or Office Max, and then using it on Amazon. There's a couple of personal credit cards I thought have really, really good sign-up bonuses, and I'll put the links for these below. The first one is the Barclays Aviator MasterCard. This one comes with a $99 fee, and it's associated with American Airlines, but the great thing about this is it has a 50,000 sign-up bonus for American Airlines miles, and you don't even need to spend like $1,000 or $5,000 in 3 months. You just need to make a single transaction and you're gonna get all 50,000 miles there. The only reason why I would actually have this card is for the sign-up bonus. If I got this, I would likely just cancel after the first year. And the other credit card that I think is a really good idea to apply for is the Citi Thank You Premier card, which comes with 60,000 point sign-up bonus in 3 months. There's a $95 annual fee, which isn't too bad, and it gives you 3x points on restaurants and supermarkets, gas stations and travel. So it's a pretty good, well-rounded card. So my question to you all is, what other credit cards are you considering? How are you looking to supercharge your points earnings? I'm Steve, and this has been another Miles and Points episode. You know what to do below. I'll see you on the next one.